Hi, I'm Israel Houghton, and want to talk to you about a song that has become really just shocking for me. It's a song called Jesus at the Center. And I was in a writing session. Actually, we were rehearsing for a live record for a project that I was producing. And I with a couple of the guys that I was writing with, I said, I feel like we need one more song and something just simple, something that just places Jesus at the center of it all. And we just got to talking about throughout history and from the beginning of the Word until from Genesis to Revelation, it ultimately is about the Word. It's about Jesus. And I said, I've actually been trying to write this song conceptually for quite a while. And sat down with Peter Wilson from Hillsong London and said, let's write it. And sat down with Chris Tomlin and said, let's write it. And for whatever reason, those didn't materialize. And this time, literally just kind of spontaneously, I said, we need a Jesus at the center of it all song. And literally, while I was explaining it, I said something like, Jesus at the center of it all. And just something sort of reverberated just off those couple of moments. And I dismissed the band real quick and sat down with my friend Micah and my friend Adam, and I just said, let's finish this up. And within about 15 minutes, we had it and called the band back in and just played it for them spontaneously. And something significant happened. And since then, the few times we did it live right after that, and even went to some pretty large conferences and did it, it just connected and took off. And so I'm excited about this song, and it's been blessing a lot of churches worldwide already. And I want to show you how I play it, and hopefully it'll be a blessing to you. This is Jesus at the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Jesus, nothing else matters. Nothing in this world will do. Jesus, you're the center, and everything revolves around you. Jesus, you. So Jesus, be the center of my life. Jesus, be the center of my life. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Jesus, nothing else matters. Nothing in this world will do. Jesus, you're the center. Everything revolves around you. Jesus, you. And from my heart to the heavens, Jesus, be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus, be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. So Jesus be the center of your church. Jesus be the center of your church. And every knee will bow, and every tongue shall confess you, Jesus. Jesus, oh, Jesus. Yeah, Jesus. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. Oh, Jesus. So for a quick tutorial, I'm certainly not an orthodox player, and I've just sort of figured out the things that work for me. I tend to rely a lot on the right hand for percussiveness. That's how I play. But as far as these chords, I play the A kind of wide open like that, B minor like that, and A over C sharp or C sharp minor, same way. And then I normally play my D and E in this song without barring, so that's the D there. I'll do that again. So when I go to the E, and from my heart to the heavens, it's open. I bar the F sharp, or I do the F sharp in that configuration there. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. So second time around on that, we go to the root again. So Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. And yeah, there's no real secret to what it is. It's basic, but try to put it to where I don't have to move around a whole lot. I can just concentrate on singing a beautiful song. God bless you guys.